Hi, in today's video I'm gonna give you a short review and a couple of close-ups of my new flashlight. This is OLIGHT ArkPro. Hello again, so in today's video I'm gonna be talking about OLIGHT ArkPro flashlight. This is something I got a couple of weeks ago. Now I want to give you a couple of close-ups and tell you a little bit more about it. This is a similar flashlight that I reviewed a couple of months ago. This one is called ArkPro. In the package you get a flashlight. The flashlight comes with instructions. The flashlight comes with magnetic cable, so all you have to do is just snap it in and connect USB port to your charging port. USB-C cable is not included. You can charge it and use it your own cable. So as you can see right now I have a green light. When you want to charge the flashlight, you just have to snap it in. You'll see a red light right now. Once it's charged, you're going to see a green light like this. Included instructions show you all the modes and all the specifications of the flashlight, so you can read it once you get it, or you can get it online. The main feature of it is that the material is made out of special aluminum, which is called OLIGHT, and it's super tough and it's very nice and easy to grip. So on the top you will see three different settings. So first one is for the light, second one is for the laser, and the third one is for UV. So all you have to do is just slide this ring and this will change the mode. Once you click the button, on the right hand side you have a battery indicator, and on the left intensity of the light. So for example, if you want to change the light and you're gonna start with the first mode, you can see one light, you hold it, you have a second. Now we have second intensity and then third intensity, and once you double click you're going to have a full turbo. What is different from this flashlight comparing to other models of OLIGHT flashlights is that you can simultaneously operate it with a laser. So on the right hand side you have a laser, dedicated laser button. So once I click it, you're going to see the laser. Hopefully you can, there you go. You can only see when it is very faint. So if I turn the lights off, you can see when I turn the lights off, then you can easily see the laser. So the laser operates by using the right button and can work in conjunction with the regular light. On the left side you have a USB-C charging port. On the side you can see those ridges. They're on both sides, and this means that you're gonna have a nice grip on the flashlight. The front looks like this. In the back, this is the snap in port for charging, and on the bottom you have mounted with those two screws this clip, so you can clip it onto your clothes or your hat this way, or you can use it this way. So now I'm gonna show you how it works. So this is the first setting on a floodlight, the weakest one, and this is number 2. You can see it's much brighter, and I can even see the trees and the light reaches there. Number 3, it's really strong. As you can see, I can clearly see those trees right here, and when you double tap I'm gonna have a turbo mode. And this is the most brightest one. You can see it's really bright, and you can see I can see entire tree. Now at the same time I can also use the laser, which is located on the right side, so I can operate the laser together with the light. I don't know if you can see it, so I'm gonna turn off the light, and now when the light is dimmer you can probably see it better. So turn the lights off. We can also switch it to UV light, and we have 2 settings for UV light. We have really faint one and we have even brighter ones. In UV mode, this is really amazing what you can see. My wall looks like it's clean, right? So let me just turn the lights off and you're gonna see in UV mode. Now in UV mode, you can see, I don't know if you can actually see that on the camera, but all the dirt, everything that is on the walls, you can easily see it. I think you can see it. So this is actually the nightmare for all those ladies that want to clean the house. You can see every single thing. So in summary, this is really excellent flashlight. It's weatherproof. It's not waterproof. Fits really great in my hand. Has a bunch of different options. You can have a UV light, which I really love, and laser, and 4 different modes for the regular flashlight. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Other than that, give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.